Hey guys, my name is James Mason. In this video, I just want to go over a little bit more on how to use level 2. And this video will be a lot shorter than the actual level 2 video. So I basically want to just talk about another thing that you're looking for down here. So let's just jump right into it. So I want you to look at these top numbers when I'm talking to you. As you look at these, you'll see either this side has a bigger set of numbers than this side, or vice versa. So what this means is that these are the orders currently placed and currently being filled. If people are buying them, that's actually when they're getting filled. So what does this mean to you? Well, if you have a bigger number right here, when I say bigger, I mean, larger than this number over here, that means this is going to act like a support, and you'll start to see basically that candlestick will hold right there at that price, and then it will go up. And over here, if this number was larger than this one, this would act like a resistance. Meaning, at this price, you have to break through all this to get into a higher price range for that share. So when you start seeing larger numbers over here like that and this, that basically is indicating that this is going to start going down, like right there. Perfect example. So just take the time to watch level 2s, and you'll start being able to see this for yourself. And this right here alone can change the whole outcome on how you trade, mainly day trade, throughout the day. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would be so thankful for that, and give me a thumbs up. So again, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.